Welcome to the beating heart of the earth, where life stretches in its most exuberant and mysterious form. The Amazon rainforest, the expanse of the planet, a vast ocean of green that stretches beyond what the eye can see. Under this verdant canopy, every leaf, every river, and every tree tells a story of survival and interdependence. Here, in the maze of rivers and gigantic trees, nature reveals its deepest secrets. In this video, we will explore the immense green carpet of the Amazon, a place of incomparable beauty, but also of complex challenges and imminent threats. Join us on this journey through the largest tropical forest in the world, where every corner reveals the majesty and the mystery of life on Earth. As we sail through the heart of the Amazon, we encounter riverside communities who live in harmony with the rivers. Guardians of an ancestral way of life, their survival depends on traditional fishing and coexistence with nature. Adapted to the ebb and flow of water, the riverside communities shape their lives in sync with the waters, living in houses raised on stilts. They plant, fish, and hunt only what is necessary, respecting natural cycles. This intimate connection with nature makes them the true guardians of the Amazon, preserving traditions while facing the challenges of a changing world. The toucan, with its vibrant colors and majestic beak, is a true work of nature's living art. Its exotic and elegant presence, adding a touch of incomparable beauty, stands out in the verdant forest landscape like a colorful treasure amidst the deep green. Every detail of its plumage is a spectacle of natural creativity, making it one of the most fascinating and beautiful birds in the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity sanctuary, home to thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. Every corner of this immense forest is a mosaic of life, where creatures large and small play essential roles in balancing the ecosystem. Monkeys play a crucial role in the Amazon rainforest, helping to spread seeds across vast areas, which promotes the growth of new plants and forest regeneration. As inhabitants of the treetops, they also control insect populations, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. In addition, their presence is an indicator of the health of the forest, reflecting the vitality of the environment. These primates, with their complex social interactions, are essential to the diversity and continuity of life in the Amazon. Among the towering trees of the Amazon, life pulsates in every corner. The dense vegetation is a labyrinth of colors and sounds, where each step reveals a new mystery. Walking along almost imperceptible trails, we come across the soul of the forest. These small paths, carved by the passage of time and the inhabitants of the forest, guide us through this world of natural charms. The Amazon River is not just a river. It is the untamed giant that reigns as the largest river in the world, carrying in its waters the life and soul of a continent. This immense artery that cuts through the forest is not just a simple waterway. It is the foundation of an entire life, a liquid highway that connects communities, cultures, and stories. With its impressive 6,400 kilometers in length, the Amazon stands out as the largest river on the planet, carrying in its waters the livelihood of riverside populations and an extraordinary biodiversity. As we sail along its waters, we are enveloped by the symphony of the forest, where the wind in the leaves and the song of the birds compose a unique soundtrack. The riverbanks are home to a vast array of wildlife, from small insects to the majestic jaguar. Indigenous peoples who have inhabited this region for millennia depend on the Amazon for their subsistence, extracting from it not only food, but also medicines and building materials. Each stretch of the river holds incomparable secrets and beauty, reflecting the vital importance of the Amazon for the ecological and cultural balance of the region. As we move forward, we realize that the river is much more than just a landscape. It is a silent witness to the history and strength of life in the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is the green heart of our planet, a sanctuary of life and mysteries yet to be discovered. Its grandeur reminds us of the power and beauty of nature, which we must protect and respect. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon. Until the next adventure.